Alright, so today we are gonna slap some more makeup on our face. And we're gonna aim for a shorter, more natural look, so 5 minutes. We'll try and do this as fast as we can because as busy people, we don't have a lot of time. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Farmasi Beauty Balm. I use the shade Light. And if you need a color match for anything, just let me know and I can help you with a color match. And for this, I'm going to use a kabuki style brush. May have put too much on here, but we shall see. I know some people apply BB cream with their hands, but I find it much easier to use a brush. I definitely put way too much on. It kind of squirted out a little too fast. But whatever, I'm here for it. Alright, so that is still really light, but it looks like it covered pretty good. And of course, I always blend it into my neck. Alrighty, what are we going to do next? Next, I'm going to use a little cover stick for some of my blemishes. So I just put a little bit on, and then I use my finger to press it in. Alrighty. I'm not going to do a full face contour today because we're keeping it quick, but I will add a little bit of setting powder. And this helps if you have oily skin, I find, and helps the makeup just sit into your face. Alright. And I am going to use a little bit of blush. So I apply blush just up here. And this is an angled brush. If you want that sun-kissed look, you can also apply it across here. But there ain't no sun out when it's freezing outside. Okay, we forgot to put on the Brightening Concealer, so we will do that now. This is the one I use here. And I'm obsessed with it. It gives you that nice glowy look. And by applying it like this, it draws attention to your eyes and it lifts your skin a little bit. Just going to do a little bit of brightening here. And you always want to apply this basically where the sun would hit your face. And I need a blending sponge for this. So I'll just use a little blending sponge here. And of course, since I forgot to do this before, I'm going to have to reapply some setting powder. Whatever floats your boat. And right now, this is floating my boat, so I'm here for it. I always blend this up into my temple. Ooh, I'm definitely loving this BB cream. It's definitely very light, but it actually gives a more covered look. Obsessed. Alrighty. See how that just brightens it up? Brighten my eyes up? Gives it that nice glow. It's probably not necessary, but whatever makes you feel good, right? Okay, what are we going to do next? Next, we're going to do a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm going to keep this super simple today. What do I want to do? Should probably decide this before I jump on here, but it's not the type of person that I am. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of a light brown in my crease. Dipping it. And then I'm going to go with a more pink shade. And you want to start from the middle and bring it in. And for this, I'm using, I don't know what this brush is called, a shading brush. There we go. I will be formal one of these days. Probably not. How are we going for time? We're already over our time limit, but whatever. Who cares? And then next, I'm going to just do a little bit of a lighter shade and bring it right into the crease. Bam. Okay. Next, we are going to use the Deep Look Liner by Farmasi. And now, I don't usually do a wing. I just find that's a little too bold for me. So I just apply a little bit in my lash line in a very, very, very thin layer. And that's why I'm obsessed with this tip, because it is super, super thin, which is what I like. So let's see if I can do this. Probably took too much of the product off. Now, I normally wouldn't do a top eyeliner or eyeliner at all if I'm just doing a quick makeup look, but I really wanted to try this out, so that's what we're doing today. Okay, apparently need a lot more product. I'm always afraid to put too much on and then smear it everywhere, so less is more. There we go. And I always have trouble applying it because I have like a double eyelash line, so it always gets in the way. So I'm not sure what happened here. My video got cut off, but I'm using our famous Zen Extended Mascara. It gives great lift and volume, and it's only $11. I am loving this. It really does lift the eyelashes. Ooh, and it gives them lots of volume. Now, I would normally use an eyelash curler, but I got my eyelashes lifted not too long ago, so I'm not really needing that right now. They'd be up into my eyebrows if I did that. And because I got the blonde eyelashes, I just do a little bit down here so I don't look like a ghost. And there you have it. Look at this. Not very good at showing these off, but I love it. I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need help with color matches, eyeshadows, or anything like that, please reach out to me and I will do the best I can to help you. Have a good day. Cheers.